To make quick and easy homemade hot chocolate in the microwave, first chop up 5 ounces, 150 grams of your favorite chocolate bar. Pour about 20 fluid ounces, 600 milliliters of milk into a microwave-safe cup. Cook the milk on high in the microwave for 2 minutes, then pour in the chopped chocolate pieces. Sprinkle on about half a teaspoon, 1.3 grams of cinnamon, then put the cup back in the microwave and warm it up in short bursts until the chocolate is completely melted. Whisk the mixture together until it's smooth and frothy. Then divide it between 3 mugs. Add about half a teaspoon, 2 grams of sugar to each mug, and stir it in. Top each mug with whipped cream, marshmallows, or any other topping of your choice.